What's the meaning of classical? Classical. Classical.
Classical. Classical. The term classical refers to something that is traditional or established as a standard of excellence. It describes things that are old, time-honored, or have been around for a long time and are considered to be of high quality or lasting value. This term is often used to describe works of art, literature, or music from ancient Greece or Rome, as well as other time periods known for their cultural significance. Today, the term classical is also used to refer to a specific genre of music that originated in Europe in the 18th century and is still popular today.